The Zonesun ZS-GYCR4A is an automatic 4-head servo-driven filling machine designed for corrosive liquids. Running at 200 to 2,500 bottles per hour, it uses a corrosion-resistant PVDF magnetic pump for precise, stable, and leak-free filling. With adjustable filling heads, customizable anti-drip nozzles, a storage tank, a PP machine housing, and a corrosion-resistant conveyor system, it performs reliably in harsh chemical environments. Ideal for small to medium-scale production lines, it is suitable for filling acids, alkalis, bleach, disinfectants, detergents, fertilizer solutions, automotive chemicals, and other corrosive liquids.